we learn some example related to commutative property and associative property. We already learned role of 0 and role of 1. It means if we add 0 in rational number, we get the same rational number, and if we multiply 1 in a rational number, then we get 1 in a we get the same rational number. It means 0 is additive and 1 is a multiplicative identity. Okay. ગઈકાલનો વિડિયોમાં સમજાયું હતું કે additive identity is what? 0 and multiplicative identity is what? 1. Now today we will start one more topic, that is negative of a number. What is negative of number? If the number is 2 by 3, then we need to write one negative sign before the rational number, that will be minus 2 by 3. So negative of 2 by 3 will be minus 2 by 3. One more example, if it is a negative 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3 is there, then you need to write one more negative sign. So minus minus become plus 2 by 3. So negative of minus 2 by 3 is plus 2 by 3. Okay. Next, minus 2 divide minus 3, that is a rational number, and minus minus will be cancelled out, so it become plus 2 by 3. This is the rational number. તમે -2 ડિવાઇડ -3 લો કે 2 by 3 લો, બંને સેમ જ રેશનલ નંબર છે. કેમ? કેમ કે માઇનસ માઇનસ કેન્સલ થાય. સો નેગેટિવ ઓફ 2 by 3 is -2 by 3. 2 by -3. So if we write negative of this 2 by -3, it will be minus into bracket 2 by -3. Again minus minus become plus, so it is 2 by 3. Means if there is a negative rational number એટલે શું કે ન્યુમરેટર અથવા તો ડિનોમિનેટર બેમાંથી એક નેગેટિવ હોય તો એનું નેગેટિવ શું થાય? પોઝિટિવ રેશનલ નંબર. અને જો બંને એ ધેટ ઇઝ અ પોઝિટિવ રેશનલ નંબર, આને પોઝિટિવ રેશનલ નંબર કહેવાય. કેમ? કેમ કે -2 by -3 લખો કે 2 by 3 લખો, બંને સેમ. So these two are a positive rational number and this -2 by 3 or 2 by -3 are negative rational number. એટલે જે પણ નંબર આપ્યો હોય એનો નેગેટિવ ફાઇન્ડ કરવો હોય તો એની આગળ એક નેગેટિવ સાઇન લખવાનું. So -5 by 2, negative of -5 by 2 will be 5 by 2. So now if we add negative into the rational number, કોઈ પણ rational number આપ્યો હોય એમાં એનો નેગેટિવ એડ કરો તો આન્સર 0 આવે. This is 5 by -5 by 2 and it's negative 5 by 2. બંનેનું એડિશન કરો એટલે શું આવે? 0. It is also called additive inverse. Why it is called additive inverse? Because answer of rational number with its negative is 0. That's why it is called additive inverse. Additive inverse of a is -a and additive inverse of -a will be a. Now I hope you will clear with the negative of rational number. Next, reciprocal of rational number. We already learned what is a reciprocal in a fraction. Same concept is here. Reciprocal of -3 by 5 will be 5 by -3. Means whatever numerator will be there, it will be denominator and denominator will be numerator. Reciprocal of 2 by 7, that is 7 by 2. If we multiply number with its reciprocal, કોઈ પણ નંબરને એના રેસિપ્રોકલ થી મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરો તો આન્સર શું આવે? 1. -3 by 5 and its reciprocal is 5 by -3. If you multiply 5 will be cancelled out and -3 will be cancelled out, so answer is 1. That's why multiplication of rational number with its reciprocal is 1 and that's why it is called multiplicative inverse. કોઈ પણ rational number ને એના multiplicative inverse થી multiply કરો એટલે આન્સર શું આવે? 1. Up to now we have learned three properties: closure property, associative property and commutative property. Okay, as closure property means answer is same as a two operands. જે બંને ઓપરેશન ઉપર બંને નંબર ઉપર ઓપરેશન કરે, જે બંને નંબર રેશનલ નંબર હોય અને આન્સર પણ રેશનલ નંબર હોય તો એને શું કહેવાય? ક્લોઝર. And second property is commutative, a plus b is equal to b plus a, and associative, a plus into bracket b plus c is equal to into bracket a plus b plus c. Now Also we learn a roll of 0, roll of 1. Also we learn a negative of number and multiplicative inverse of number. Remember, the additive inverse and multiplicative inverse can be asked for MCQ. Okay, कोई पण नंबर नो MCQ में वो पूछे कि -2/3 no additive inverse you can write 2/3 and -2/3 multiplicative inverse is 3/-2. Okay, next topic is distributivity of multiplication over addition. Here we will check only one condition, that is multiplication over addition. Distributive property we can write like this: a multiply into bracket b plus c, multiplication over addition. So if we open the bracket, this thing we already learned in a 6th standard. If we open the bracket, it become a multiply with b, that is a multiply b, and a is multiply with c plus a multiply c. This is called the distributive property of multiplication over addition. We will check this distributive property for 3 rational number: 2/3, b is -1/5 and c -5/6. Again you can select your own rational number and check the distributive property. Now left hand side, what we have to check is the left hand side and right hand side are same. Now a multiply b plus c. A is 2/3, b is -1/5 and c is -5/6. First we will solve bracket, then we will multiply 2/3 with the answer. Addition is there, means you need to take LCM. LCM of 5 and 6 is 30, means this number need to multiply with 6 and this number will multiply with 5 in the numerator and denominator. So if we multiply -1 with 6, we will get -6 and 5 6 are 30. -5 multiplied with 5, we will get -25 divided by 30. Now denominator is same, so at the numerator you will get -31/30. You can cut the common factor, 2 15s are 30, so you will get -13/45. 15 multiplied 3, that is 45. This is our left hand side. Now we can check the right hand side, that is a multiply b plus a multiply c, means a is multiplied with both b and c and then add the answer. So here is 2/3 multiply -1/5 plus 2/3 multiply -5/6. Now you can directly multiply because in a multiplication no need to take LCM. 2 is multiplied with -1, that is -2. 3 is multiplied with 5, that is 15. Here you can cut the common factor, 2 3s are 6, -5/9. Here 1 is 15 and 1 is 9 in a denominator, so need to take LCM. LCM is 45. So 15 need to multiply with 3 and 9 need to multiply with 5 to get 45 in a denominator. Same number you need to multiply in a numerator. -2 3s are -6 and -5 5s are -25. -6 -25, it is -31/45. You can see both left hand side and right hand side are same. So rational number have distributive property for multiplication over addition. Based on today's topic, that is example in your textbook, example 3, that is write additive inverse of -7/90 and 21/112. Again additive inverse and negative of the rational number, that is same, બંને same જ છે. That's why what is negative? It means writing negative sign before the rational number. So what will be the additive inverse of -7/90? You need to write negative sign before rational number, -7/90. So minus minus become plus. So additive inverse of -7/90 is +7/90. Okay. Next is 21/112. Negative, or you can say additive inverse will be -21/112. You need to write same for C and D, that will be in your homework. Okay. Now example 4. Verify minus into bracket -6 is same as x. Here two value. Minus into bracket -x is same as x. બંનેની value same છે, that you have to check. For first value rational number is 13 by 17. X is 13 by 17, so minus x will be minus 13 by 17. Okay, जो x ની આગળ માઈનસ સાઇન લગાવીએ તો રેશનલ નંબર ની આગળ પણ માઈનસ સાઇન લગાવવી પડે. That's why x is 13 by 17, so minus x become minus 13 by 17. But in a question we need to write one more negative sign, means we need to write one more negative sign before minus x. It become minus into bracket minus x. હવે આ માઈનસ x ની જગ્યાએ વધારે એક નેગેટિવ સાઇન લગાવીએ તો રેશનલ નંબર ની આગળ પણ એક સાઇન વધારે નેગેટિવ કરવી પડે. That's why it become minus into bracket minus 13 by 17. But minus minus become plus 13 by 17. That is what our x. That is in our question. You can see minus minus x is 13 by 17 and x is also 13 by 17. So minus minus x is same as x. Second question is that x is equal to minus 21 by 30. First what we find? Minus x. This is our x. Minus x become minus into bracket minus 21 by 30. Again minus minus become plus. It is 21 by 31. Okay. Now minus into bracket minus x. We need to write one more negative sign before minus x. So it become minus. But what is our minus x? Minus x ni value શું મળી? 21 by 31. So it is 21 by 31. So minus 21 divided by 31. That is what our original x. Again minus minus x is